Today I'll show you how to make a viral performance video with any character you want, built completely with AI. One GPT writes all the prompts for us. Then we turn those prompts into an image, and then into a video. I'll walk through the first scene from start to finish. After that, you repeat the same steps for the rest. First, head to the AI Century site and open the GPT library. Search for Viral Stage, then hit Start Chat. That opens the Viral Stage GPT inside ChatGPT. This is the one that turns any character into a full set of matching image and video prompts. Next, click any character you want. It gives you a list of ideas like Spider-Man, Goku, and Batman. If you want different options, type More and it'll give you a fresh set. When you see the one you like, type the name. We'll go with Harry Potter. In a second, it builds the whole thing. You get Harry Potter versus Lord Voldemort as a ninja stage show. It lays out a scene map with 5 scenes. There's the wand standoff and first clash, a smoke clone surprise, a dark fire serpent, a shield dome reversal, and a final beam duel. Each scene comes with 2 prompts. One is a text-to-image prompt for the still picture. The other is a C-Dance text-to-video prompt that brings that picture to life. Start with Scene 1. Copy its image prompt. Then open OpenArt, go to Image, and pick Create Image. Set the model to GPT Image 2 and paste your prompt into the box. Open the output settings. Switch the aspect ratio to 16:9. Bump the resolution up to 2K. Set the quality to high. Then hit Generate. A few seconds later, you've got your shot. Harry and Voldemort are facing off on an outdoor ninja stage with a crowd filming on their phones. Open it up full size to take a look. OpenArt makes a few versions, so keep the cleanest one. Time to bring it to life. With the image open, click Frame to Video. Your picture drops right in as the starting frame. Set the model to C-Dance 2.0, then jump back to the GPT and copy the matching video prompt for Scene 1. That's the one describing the clash in the first 5 seconds and the spell collision from 5 to 8 seconds. Paste it in, turn audio on, set it to 16:9 at 1080p, and stretch it out to 8 seconds. Then generate, and there's your clip. I ran the loop a few times and pulled 3 favorites. In the first one, Harry and Voldemort square off, charge in, and Voldemort blasts a long stream of fire across the stage. In the second, a giant serpent rears up over Harry with its fangs wide open. And in the third, a tall hooded figure looms out of a cloud of smoke. Every clip keeps that shaky phone camera live show feel, like the crowd is really there filming it. You'll find all the links and tools I used in this video in the description. Don't forget to like and